Hey there, lovely viewers. Thanks a bunch for joining me back on my channel. I'm Cassandra, interior designer to the stars, and today I'm here to spill the beans on 10 absolutely fabulous tips for giving your home a touch of that lavish and high-end flair. Recently, I got to work on a spectacular apartment transformation for a dear friend of mine, who had one simple wish: to turn his space into a realm of opulence. The fantastic part is, you don't have to raid the royal treasury to achieve this look. I'm here to share some of my designer insights, so you can effortlessly bring that luxurious vibe right into your own home without breaking the bank. Now, before we dive into this treasure trove of tips, if you find this content as valuable as a chest of gold coins, don't forget to show it some love with a hearty thumbs up and a gentle tap on that like button. All right, let's not keep the excitement waiting any longer. Let's jump right into it. First up on our list are window treatments, those elegant drapes and curtains that frame your world. They're like the crown jewels of your interior design. And here's a little secret trick. Ever notice those luxurious hotels and homes with layered window treatments? It's like adding layers of silk to a ball gown. By pairing different types of window coverings, you can create an astonishingly lush atmosphere. Hang your curtains high and wide to make your space feel grand and airy. And for practicality, consider a functional second treatment. Think Roman shades, roller blinds, or even sheer drapes to filter the light, along with your splendid curtains. I put this strategy to work in my own living room, and it's a total game changer. Oh, but hold on to your wigs because we're diving into the world of rugs now. Picture this: your space, adorned with stunning runners, those little bursts of style that make a hallway or entryway feel like a red carpet event. Whether it's the vintage-inspired Leloy rugs or the cloud-soft Margot, there's a rug for every style and budget. And if you're worried about those rugs sliding like they're auditioning for a dance show, fear not. I've got the perfect tape solution that's like a magic spell against slipping. And what's an elegant home without some well-stacked charm? I'm talking about decorators' tricks that involve piling up objects of varying shapes and sizes. It's like assembling a tower of exquisiteness. Start with a sturdy base, like stacked books or a chic tray. Then layer on a candle, maybe even some beads or a nifty canister of matches. It's the recipe for instant luxury, and you can whip it up using items you already have. Now, if you've ever dreamed of having grand furniture but your wallet's playing hard to get, here's the scoop. Marry two smaller pieces to create the illusion of a grander one. It's like arranging a royal wedding for furniture. The result? A magnificent piece that looks expensive without the hefty price tag. I even added a little decorative touch to my friend's combined furniture to make it seamless. So, remember, you can create that high-end look on a budget by doubling up and making your own furniture love story. Let's journey to the dining room, shall we? If you're aiming for dining splendor, don't forget the vital role of coordination. Your dining table and light fixture should waltz together in style. If you're rocking a round table, pick a light fixture that's also got those curves. And if your table's more of a rectangle, let's pair it up with pendant pals. Trust me, this is the kind of coordination that deserves a standing ovation. Now, speaking of drapes, let's take a closer look. To add that rich ripple even when your curtains are cozied up, why not double up on curtain panels? It's like inviting a friend to a royal banquet. You're creating that extra layer of grandeur. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank for fancy custom curtains. This trick works wonders with affordable options too. A little extra fabric goes a long way in the world of elegance. Next, let's talk about your home's secret ingredient: greenery. Whether it's faux plants, flowers, or branches, they're like a sip of enchanted potion for your room's appearance. A touch of green brings your space to life, infusing it with that upscale charm. And the best part? You don't need to be a gardening wizard to pull this off. Now, let's add a sprinkle of softness to the equation. Soft furnishings are like the gentle embrace of luxury. Think pillows, throw blankets, rugs, and curtains. All those comfy and inviting elements that turn your space into a haven of comfort. Even the most modern or sleek pieces can be softened with the right touch. And now, we've reached the grand finale. Remember, every luxurious design you adore was meticulously planned. Just like plotting a treasure map, planning is the key to creating an exquisite space. A little Photoshop magic or even a good old-fashioned sketch can help you foresee what works and what doesn't. So, before you embark on your design adventure, make sure your map is detailed and your compass is set for opulence. Lastly, let's talk about the frame of your space, your wall art. For that touch of elegance, consider using matted frames. They're like the ornate frame around a masterpiece, adding that extra layer of class. Plus, they give your art a chance to shine even brighter. And if you're crafting a gallery wall, matted frames can unite a diverse collection while giving it that polished gallery look. All right, that's a wrap for today's enchanting journey. I hope these tips have cast a spell on your creativity, inspiring you to create a home that's fit for royalty. Drop a comment down below and tell me which of these tricks you're excited to try. This is Cassandra saying goodbye for now.